Welcome to our emergency evacuation video. To ensure your safety, take the time to familiarize yourself with the emergency procedures and evacuation plan specific to your location. Exit routes and doors are marked by signage and should always be free from obstructions. Please keep fire extinguishers and other emergency equipment readily available. If you ever discover fire or smoke, promptly raise the alarm by shouting, "Fire! Fire! Fire!" Contact emergency services on 911. Whenever evacuating, remember the acronym RACE. R is for react. Assist anyone in immediate danger without jeopardizing your safety. A is for alarm. Call emergency services on 911. C is for confine. Confine the fire by closing doors and windows. E is for extinguishing or evacuating. Use a fire extinguisher if possible. Evacuate if the fire is too large or beyond your capacity. If you have been trained and the fire is within your ability, operate fire extinguishers, remembering the acronym PASS. Once you are in a safe position, ensure to maintain a clear exit. P is for pull. Pull the pin. A is for aim. Aim the nozzle. S is for squeeze. Squeeze the handle. S is for sweep. Sweep the spray back and forth over the fire seat. Evacuate immediately if you are unable to control the fire. Follow the instructions of your supervisor or fire warden. Staff should guide visitors out of the building. Do not use the elevators as the power may be cut. Individuals with accessibility requirements should assemble in stairwells and wait for assistance from emergency services. Do not return to your desk for belongings. Choose the safest exit route. Remain calm and avoid running. Stay low in smoke-filled areas. Close doors as you move through the building. Stay at the emergency assembly area until authorized to re-enter by the Wardens or emergency services. Consult your supervisor or fire warden if you have any questions or concerns. Remember, your safety is our top priority. Be prepared, stay informed, and follow these guidelines to ensure a swift and secure evacuation in an emergency.